You know that thing when you go to a potluck or a cookout and you're going down the line and you're getting all the food and you come to the macaroni salad and you just are like, okay, I mean, that sounds fine, and you put some on your plate. But then as you're sitting down eating it, you take a bite of that macaroni salad and it's like basically a revelation in your entire food world. And that's what you go back for seconds for. This is that macaroni salad. This is the Seconds macaroni salad. It's so delicious with a creamy, tangy sauce, and it's really easy. Let's do it.
Let's kick things off by cooking our noodles. You definitely want to cook your pasta in salted water so the noodles themselves have flavor. And you're going to cook them a little bit underdone, almost al dente. So there's a little bit of texture to your teeth. When you pull on it, you do not want them to fall apart. Part of what makes this mac salad so special is the texture of the noodle in relationship to the texture of the vegetables. So I'm putting in chopped celery, diced red peppers, carrots, and diced red onions. Now we have to make our dressing. Mayonnaise, red wine vinegar, some of the sweet pickle brine from the diced pickles, Dijon mustard, a little bit of sugar, salt, pepper, and celery seed. You whisk that all together and it makes a pretty loose, very creamy dressing that gets poured all over the top of that macaroni salad. Now, one of the reasons that our noodles were undercooked is because as we mix this together, the moisture from that dressing is going to coat the noodles themselves. It will feel very saucy right when you mix it, but that's okay. That's really going to help these noodles kind of soften up and absorb the flavor from the dressing itself.
Once our pasta salad is all mixed, we're gonna cover it with some plastic wrap and pop it in the refrigerator. I like to give it at least an hour, but overnight if you can. That'll give all of these delicious flavors an opportunity to meld together. And remember our al dente noodles, they'll actually absorb some of this extra dressing and moisture that we have in here, and they'll become nice and soft and tender. It all works together beautifully. And if you can make it a day or at least an hour in advance, it makes your life easier when you're prepping for a big family meal. Okay, we good?
Yep.
All right, now that was a long and arduous wait to be ready for this pasta salad to eat, but it's always worth it, I tell you. I'm gonna dish a little bit of this up for myself because that's one of the privileges of making food you like to eat, is you get to be the first one to eat it. I can already tell how creamy this pasta salad is. You can see all of the flecks in there from the pepper and the celery seeds. The vegetables are the perfect size so that it adds color and crunch and brightness, but it's not overwhelming. Our ratio of noodles to veggies is absolutely perfect. I can't wait. Listen. That ain't no deli store prepackaged, grab it from the grocery and take it to the potluck macaroni salad. That is something special. You're gonna love it. Your family's gonna love it. And I hope this is a recipe that you come back to over and over and over again. You can pick it up on my website, heygrillhey.com. See you next time.